Hi little kids, today I'm going to learn you how to write capital letter and small letter alphabets in 3 lines. Let's see how to write. This is capital A for apple. Small A for alligator. Capital B for ball. And small b for balloon. Capital C for cat. Small c for cake. Capital D for dog. Small d for drum. Capital E for elephant. Small e for egg. Capital F for frog. And small f for fish. Capital G for goat. Small g for grapes. Capital H for horse. Small h for hat. Capital I for ice cream. And small I for igloo. Capital J for jug. And small j for juice. Capital K for kite. And small k for king. Capital L for lion. Small l for lollipop. Capital M for mango. And small m for mouse. Capital N for nest. And small n for nuts. Capital O for octopus. And small o for ostrich. Capital P for peacock. Small p for pen. Capital Q for queen. And small q for quilt. Capital R for rabbit. And small r for rose. Capital S for sheep. And small s for sun. Capital T for tiger. And small t for telephone. Capital U for umbrella. And small u for under. Capital V for village. And small v for violin. Capital W for well. Small w for watch. Capital X for xylophone. And small x for Xmas tree. Capital Y for yak. Small y for yolk. Capital Z for zebra. Small z for zipper. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Till then, bye bye little kids.